In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can free up storage in your Yahoo Mail account. If you're finding your Yahoo Mail storage close to bursting, or just want to keep things clean and efficient, then stick around as I guide you through some simple yet effective steps to manage your space efficiently. To kick things off, the first and most critical step is to log into your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're in, you'll have a good overview of what's consuming your space. With a few minutes of tinkering, we aim to reclaim some of that valuable storage. We'll start with deleting unnecessary emails. Target those with large attachments or old messages. These are often the biggest culprits in gobbling up storage. To identify large emails, you might want to use Yahoo's search functionality. Typing larger than in the search bar, followed by the desired file size, for example, larger than 5 MB, to quickly locate those hefty emails. Once you've identified them, give them a second glance to ensure you don't need them. Then hit delete. After you've done a thorough scrub, don't forget this crucial next step. Empty your trash folder. Deleting an email doesn't immediately free up space. It typically moves to the trash, where it lingers and continues to occupy storage. To permanently free up that space, go to the trash folder and select Empty Trash. It's a simple process, but absolutely essential for space management. Another effective strategy to secure more space is by reducing the inflow of unnecessary emails. Consider unsubscribing from newsletters or unwanted subscriptions that clutter your inbox. These are often consistent and frequent, overtaking your storage without adding much value. Most of these emails have an unsubscribe link at the bottom. Use it as generously as needed. Saving your attachments to your computer or cloud storage can also contribute significantly to conserving your Yahoo Mail capacity. If an email has attachments you want to keep, save them first to your device or preferred cloud service, then remove the attachment from the email. This way, you still retain the valuable content while freeing up email space. Finally, let's look at utilizing filters. Yahoo Mail allows you to set up filters that can automatically delete or archive emails that you don't need to read immediately or ever. Consider setting these up for items like automated notifications or promotions. Doing this not only helps in keeping your inbox more organized, but also preemptively keeps unwanted emails from consuming your storage. And there you have it. By following these steps, cleaning out old and large emails, managing the trash folder, unsubscribing from unnecessary mailing lists, offloading attachments to other storage solutions, and setting up practical filters, you can keep your Yahoo Mail running smoothly and efficiently. I encourage you to make this a regular habit to prevent future storage troubles. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful. Until next time, enjoy a clutter-free inbox.